Una good morning, good afternoon, good evening from any part of the world where una dey listen to me today. My name na Williams Glory, and I bring una the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. The Open Heavens devotional on a daily message book with the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye writes. Today na Thursday, 31st October 2024.